This hadith is also narrated on the authority, with the same chain of transmitters and hadith of Abu Usama. The words are, he who performed the ablution well and then offered the obligatory prayer. Narrated Abu Huraira, the Prophet said, Allah does not accept prayer of anyone of you if he does hadith pauses when till he performs the ablution anew. Narrated Amr bin Amir, Anna said, the Prophet used to perform ablution for every prayer. I asked Anas, what did you use to do? Anas replied, we used to pray with the same ablution until we break it with hadith. Narrated Abdullah bin Umar, Umar bin al-Khattab told Allah's apostle, I became a junub at night. Allah's apostle replied, perform ablution after washing your private parts and then sleep. Narrated Abu Salama, I asked Aisha, did the Prophet use to sleep while he was junub? She replied, yes, but he used to perform ablution before going to bed. Narrated Abu Huraira, the Prophet said, whoever performs ablution should clean his nose with water by putting the water in it and then blowing it out. And whoever cleans his private parts with stones should do it with odd number of stones. Narrated Ali, I used to get emotional urethral discharges frequently and felt shy to ask Allah's apostle about it. So I requested Al-Miqdad bin al-Aswad to ask the Prophet about it. Al-Miqdad asked him and he replied, on has to perform ablution after it. Narrated Ali, I used to get emotional urethral discharge frequently. Being the son-in-law of the Prophet, I requested a man to ask him about it. So the man asked the Prophet about it. The Prophet replied, perform ablution after washing your organ penis. Narrated Ibn Umar, the males and females during the time of the Messenger of Allah sallallahu alayhi wasallam used to perform the ablution from one vessel together. The wordings from one vessel occur in the version of Musaddad. This hadith is also narrated on the authority, with the same chain of transmitters and hadith of Abu Usama. The words are, he who performed the ablution well and then offered the obligatory prayer.